If you're broke at 20, does that mean you've already failed? No, but it does mean something needs to change, fast. Because if you don't fix your money habits in your 20s, you'll spend your 30s trying to escape the mess. And trust me, digging yourself out of a financial grave is way harder than avoiding it in the first place. But let me guess, you feel stuck. You work hard. You barely save. You don't know where your money even goes. And everyone's shouting about crypto, side hustles, and investing in yourself. But no one's telling you where to even begin. Sound familiar? Let's fix that. Right now. Let me walk you through something. I call it the broke blueprint. Not because I want you to follow it, but because most people already are, without even realizing. Here's what it looks like. Earn a paycheck. Spend most of it. Tell yourself you'll save next time. Repeat. And somehow, still be shocked you're broke. Oh, and throw in a $7 iced latte every morning. Because caffeine totally counts as an investment, right? Wrong. Now let me flip the script. Here's what the wealthy blueprint looks like. You track every dollar. You live on 70% of what you earn. You invest early, even if it's just $5 a day. You build high-income skills. And you don't try to look rich. You become rich. And here's the kicker. If you start doing this at 20, your future self at 30, 40, 50, they're not surviving. They're thriving. Let me hit you with some real numbers. If you invest just $150 a month starting at 20, that's $5 a day. By the time you're 60, you'll have over $500,000, assuming an 8% annual return. 8% return. Start at 30, you'll have less than half that. Time is either your most valuable asset or your biggest regret. The longer you wait, the louder that regret becomes. Here's the truth no one tells you. Being broke at 20 isn't the problem. Staying broke is. Because what you do right now, the habits you build, the knowledge you gain, will either lead you to financial freedom or keep you stuck in a life you'll one day wish you escaped sooner. So ask yourself, will my future self thank me for what I'm doing today? Or will they wonder why I waited so long? Here's the good news. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be intentional. In the next few videos, I'm going to break down how to start investing, how to build a budget that works, and how to actually make money while you sleep. But if you don't hit subscribe, you'll miss the part where your entire life starts to change. This channel is called Budget to Billion for a reason. Because we're not here to play small. We're here to master money, one smart move at a time. So if you're ready to build wealth before 30, hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and let's rewrite your financial story together.